Okay, let's go to yoga. It's cold. Okay, we did it. We did the thing. It was hard to get out of bed this morning. I know I said that yesterday, but it was hard. Oh my gosh. Yoga today was good, except something smelled pretty bad. And I don't know if it was me or if it was my neighbor. Anytime I tried to like check to see if it was me, it didn't smell like me. But it was like one of those smells where it smells like something was like damp and it didn't dry all the way, or it smelled like feet. Like, I'm not really sure what it was. And there was one person who was like relatively close to me, and I don't know if that was them. And I really did wonder if it was me, because like I kept smelling it, and especially when I was bending down, so I was like, oh man, maybe it was my mat. So I like it was really hard for me to focus because I kept like worrying about whether or not it was me. Here I am trying to do a video and my camera is just broken. I can't even like, oh, that's even worse. Oh no. Okay. So I think I found that if I have like a little mini, there are these little 2 screws that are missing. I can probably fix it. The camera itself works fine. It's just needing a little bit of sprucing up. But I don't want to use it because even in its folded up form, it falls out. So we're gonna give her a break, which really sucks because I really love this camera. We're gonna just use my phone for, I guess, the rest of Vlogmas, or until I can get some mini screws. I don't even know what size that is, but I'll have to figure it out. Okay, I was going to show you how to make the tiramisu oats. So first things first, I need to make my coffee. So what I've been doing is I've been taking coffee and icing it. And then I've been taking this Premier Protein cookie dough flavor, and I've been putting it in with my coffee. And essentially what it does is it creates a really nice latte, essentially. It looks really milky, so I'm gonna add a little bit more coffee to it. Honestly, it's just a good way to get extra protein in. I will say this is very sweet. Like, I cannot drink this by itself. So this is just a way to make it a little bit more palatable, because this is way too sweet by itself. Okay, let's make the tiramisu chia pudding. So essentially what you need is really easy. You just need chia seeds, oats, and some Greek yogurt, maple syrup, and if you want to, cocoa powder. It tastes better with cocoa powder. Let's be real. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take your chia seeds. You're gonna put 1/2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then put 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And then 4 tablespoons of coffee. One, 2, 3. your oats should look something like that. And then you want to take your Greek yogurt and you want to fill it. You want like a cup of Greek yogurt, but you only want to fill it maybe 3/4 cup. And then you're gonna put it into the oats. And you want to give it a nice stir just to get everything blended together. The chia seeds don't look very appetizing, but I promise it gets better. And now you want to add a final layer of Greek yogurt to the top. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your cocoa powder and you're just going to dust it over the top. Let this sit for overnight or at least 2 hours and then you're good to go. Okay, my breakfast is soup because I need to finish this up and also the tiramisu needs to sit. I have a really busy day today, so again, I don't know how much vlogging I'm gonna be able to do. Yeah, and like there's nothing interesting that's happening on a day-to-day basis, it's just me working. And I can't film that, so I have my belt test today. And I'm excited. I'm feeling pretty ready for it. I know last night I wasn't feeling super confident, but today I feel like I can do it. I'm really bummed out about my camera though. I know that I can if I just find the screws, I think I could fix it, but. Okay, I'm headed to my belt test now. I'm very tired. Before I head in, I just wanted to show that I got my I got my tumble belt and I kicked my board in 3 pieces by accident. It was kind of embarrassing, but I'm really proud because I worked really hard and I'm 1 step closer to a black belt. Yay! I'm waiting for my meeting to start. I'm running late. I woke up late today, so I haven't had any time for breakfast. I haven't had any time for like my regular morning routine. I don't know what's going on. I just know that I'm like way off kilter today. I'm drinking my protein and coffee. Hopefully that will help me. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna eat our tiramisu oats. Probably only have time to eat like half because again, just off my game today. It's a busy day today, that's for sure. I was thinking about going to Trader Joe's later today. I just don't know if I have time. Time for lunch. Okay, it's lunchtime, and I'm very excited to eat food. I just feel like life has not been stopping. Like there's just been so many things happening and I'm feeling overwhelmed a little bit and I'm starting to feel really drained. And I think I start to get this way when I start to worry about other people. It drains my energy. And I think that's what now that I'm saying this out loud, I think I'm really worried about what other people are doing again. And it's making me tired. So I need to like refocus and reestablish like my own stuff again and like my own goals and focus on myself again. I need to stop worrying about things that I cannot control or that are not within my power. And I need to stop searching for justification for those things. I need to just be responsible for myself. I just need to like be responsible for myself and like be okay with who I am and where I'm at. I think sometimes I really try to stretch my limits for other people and to try to do things that, you know, I think in theory sound a lot of fun, and then I end up regretting it. So I'm taking these small steps to like just be okay with saying no, just being okay with like being myself. And I don't know, like I really don't want to force myself in situations and force myself to be comfortable when I'm not. But I know what's best for me, and like that's what I need to stick to. I know what's best for me. I don't need to like prove that to anybody else. And I don't need someone to convince me. Yeah, I just need to focus on my own work again. I have 4 more meetings left of the day, and then I'll be done. And then technically today is a lifting day. Normally it would be a 6 a.m. yoga day, but because I went to Taekwondo last night instead of today, it's kind of like reversed. So I gotta get pumped. I gotta get into my second half of my day. And I don't get done with work until 6. So I gotta go.